My hair finish, so I'll be locking my hair soon. Before, I want to see the before and the after of my hair. Finish doing my eye. How do I look? I didn't even plan on locking my dread today at all, but rate my hair from the before and after. You see, I will even put it here so that you see the difference. See, very neat. It's one of my brother's friend, like very close friend. It's also let me say, it's also like a family friend that helped me do it, and it's looking so good. What do you think? Yes, I'm taking risk. I've not done this my eyebrows before, but this is the first time, and I'm taking risk on my own eyes, not on another person's eyes, on my own eyes. So I just own and I just spread it because it's my eye stylist that used to do it for me.